What's up guys, it's Silent, and I couldn't show you the Bronx without showing you one of the most famous zoos in the world. Now if you didn't know, the zoo has several architectural features that are considered official landmarks of New York City, including this very gate before our eyes, and this is the Rainy Memorial Gate, which if you get a close look at it, you'll notice that there's 22 full-size sculpted animals rising above the gate. And this was actually landmarked in 1967. Now, I'm actually here on a Wednesday, which is free entry. But the thing is, they have certain exhibits that you have to pay to enter. So what I got was the total experience ticket. So even though it's free to enter, if you pay $14.95 for the total experience, you'll be able to experience the paid exhibits for a cheaper price, because each exhibit is $6. So if you wanted to jump on the carousel, which is the bug carousel, that's $6. If you wanted to go to the butterfly garden, that's $6. The children's zoo, that's $6. Conga gorilla forest, that's $6. You know, so instead of paying all those multiple $6, if you just pay the $14.95, you're actually saving money. So I would recommend doing that on a Wednesday. But if you don't come on a Wednesday, it's gonna be $39.95 or something like that to enter. But before we even get into the zoo, we get to see another New York City landmark right here outside of the entrance. Now this fountain was actually a famous landmark in Italy, and it was originally sculpted in 1872 when William Rockefeller bought it in 1902 and brought it here. The Bronx Zoo actually opened its doors on November 8th, 1899, featuring 843 animals in 22 exhibits. Right now, we are in front of the seagull area. I will be laying out like that too, just chilling. Guys, do you see the little baby seal right there?
Sea lions can be found around the world, from the tropics to both poles. These are California sea lions, which specifically live along the Pacific coast from British Columbia to Mexico and around the Galapagos Islands.
Lucy's 2 years old. She's the only penguin that still needs to be held while eating. The reason for that is that she just never grew out of it. That's the way we teach penguins how to eat. We hold them first and feed them, and then it eventually should go to them just taking it like this. But Lucy decided that she didn't want to do that, so I get to hug her every day, which is fine by me.
So right now we are entering the children's zoo. Hairy dogs. Hello. Oh, hell no. I'm done. Anteater. And here are the flamingos. Wow, what a beauty. Look at how they walk. Look at that one just in the bucket chilling. Hey, buddy. Whoa. He's about to jump over the gate. Yo, they're hungry as hell. And you actually hear the sounds of the rainforest.
Come on, boy. There we go. There we go.
Wow. Oh, look at the baby.
There you go. There we go. Ah! Look so cute.
Right now we are walking through Nature Trek, which is a total experience exhibit at the Bronx Zoo. As you can see right here, the sign says trek and climb. They built a village in the trees perfect for kids or kids at heart like me and you, because we are about to explore. There's wavy bridges, elevated tunnels, and you can take a view from a human-sized bird nest. It's already looking exciting as we're walking through. I love it. Hold on, you don't want to fall. Okay, this is cool. Oh, so you got a view from up here. So let's try to walk on the rope itself. Whoa. It's a little harder than you would imagine. Whoa. See, that's the good thing that you have the rope on the side to balance you, because if not, whoa. I was trying. Did my best. Whoa. What's up, guys? Oh, quite the little workout right there. Right now we're entering the Bengali Express monorail. And this began in 1977, and it's 9 cars, 1.6 miles of a ride, as you can see. And there's only some animal, there's some animals that you can only see here, like these. And this is one of the paid attractions, so you would pay $6, or if you pay the full price, like I said, on Wednesdays it's $14.95, and this will be included. Or on a regular day, it's $40. All right, we're taking our seat in the front. So as you can see, the train is facing out, and you get to see everything.
Now we can begin our safari in the sky. The Bronx Zoo is the home of the Wildlife Conservation Society, that's the WCS for short. WCS has eco-guards and field scientists that work all around the world to conserve and protect wildlife and wild places. These are the Mongolian wild horses, and for a long time they were considered extinct in the wild. If an animal is extinct in the wild, that means it no longer exists in the wild.
Right now we are entering Jungle World. As you can see, this is another climate enhanced rainforest type of place. Look at this. Jungle World is like an indoor tropical jungle. And it's home to nearly 800 animals, which is insane. And it's very, what's the word? Muggy, foggy, wet, dry. Humid, that's the word I was really looking for. Like a jungle. Oh yes, I love that. So as I said, it opened in 1985, June to be exact, and it cost $9.5 million. Insane. Yo, the cost to make these things. Oh, look at that one just chilling. Imagine having this in your house, like this is a pool area with clean pool water and just chilling. That would be epic.
No problem there, buddy.
What are they called? Thank you. I got a little bee. Okay.